So if you are new to Python and you are learning to use functions in Python, this video is for you. So watch this video to the end and you learn how to write a very simple function in Python. So to write a Python function, all you just need to use is the def keyword, include the name of the function. So this function, what we want these functions to do is to multiply two numbers. So we'll say function, let's call this multiply, and then add this semicolon. I mean, this colon is very important. So multiply 2 times 3, okay, or print 2 times 3, print 2 times 3. So then we are out of this function, and that's the end. So when you call this function here and just say multiply, and then you run this code, the answer gives you 6. So that is just what Python does. I mean, that is just how function works. So function is just like a machine where you take in some input and then it gives you output. So that is just it. That's how to write simple. That's how to write functions in a very, very, very simple way. Forgive my stammering and pardon my accent, please. So if you found this video useful, smash that like button. If you don't, you can press the dislike button, but make sure you press it twice to be sure. And yes, subscribe if you're into Python and you're into learning Python in the future, because I'm going to be building some backend projects very soon using Django Flask, and I'm going to be building some machine learning projects right on this channel. So for all of that and more, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.